Hello, kids. For your inquiry this week, in class, we are studying elections this week. So we started the unit governance last week. We started thinking about what citizenship is and the purposes of government. And this week, to get prepared for the big national and local election that's happening next week, we wanted to kind of beef up on what it means to have an election. So we started talking about voting. We started talking about um, choices and choosing and how and different types of elections, different ways that you can cast votes. And Miss Roth has created an amazing Padlet that has numerous resources inside of it. If you go down into the Week 11 inquiry folder, the enrichment for 1026 to 1030, right here, we are in our governance unit, and this Padlet right here will take you to lots of activities. So if you click on this Padlet here, you can see Miss Roth created it. It's the third grade government unit and resources for supporting our thinking and learning in this unit. So this week in particular, this section, voting, would be the section that that I would want you to explore the most. Check out the different videos and activities in this voting section here. But also you could check out some of the read alouds, like in the election stories here. V is for voting. That's a good one. More election stories. Those would be really good for you. I actually read Duck for President in class today. It'd be a good idea to check that out. But all of these read alouds are excellent. I recommend checking out all of them. But pace yourself. I believe if the virtual schedule that I have is correct, which I believe it is, you have an hour per day to do your inquiry work on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you've got a total of 3 hours to fill by exploring this site. Like I said, I recommend the voting and the read aloud section for this week. If you want to catch up a little bit on some of the concepts we talked about last week, purpose of government would be a good place to go. We won't be getting into local government and the three branches of government until the following week. So I think that it would be a really good idea for you to wait on those and spend your time focused on the government, on the voting section and the read aloud section. There's no written work for you to do right now. It's more about just exploring the site and trying to interact with these activities as much as possible and remembering the things that you're learning. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. If you have any wonderings, we can add them to our student questions board. Please feel free to post them and send them to me. I miss you guys. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and seeing you soon. Hope you enjoy these activities in this Padlet.